exercise books to go to the remote areas. No, now say you declare bro. Me can get and cook watch ya sebe where ja ya kura wish where ja ye. Now say what the brody ya crash sometimes you only brody oh one be there free. Sometimes I'm cook and I am more ekodi amekonia de ade near the ebetia ho when the baba husumna who die actually not than yameku. Oh Maya, you're born here to Africa, you're born here to Africa, Judah. Judah Busheko Africa. Any one say, come my friend, come a BDA. Now, so now bad leadership, bad government, wicked leaders, wicked agency heads, wicked citizens, we are not able to reach the coldest we are supposed to reach. Because party B. Now, I will never stop saying this. Because party way, I'm going to pay for party. Sometimes my heart bleeds for Ghana. Sometimes my heart, it bleeds for Ghana. It bleeds for Ghana. Say, Ghana near Wako Sukuwako University. West dear, you know the laws, you know the rules. Now what's now? Now Obiti says Sammy Gyamfi, our education no, what Bob Bratino, I bet actual propaganda. Now one could research and confirm and on wafa. Now me bana meka say margin for my maybe the go for na kwesi now we hear do and na kwesi. Sometimes I'm left with no option but to insult. Sometimes I'm left no option but to insult. Because if some people call themselves stupid, low, shallow-minded freedom fighters who don't even know what the fuck they are fighting for, all they know is say, I buy no time. It's buy no high time. When you have Boka, low-grade people who didn't look at our economic indicators 20 Akufo-Addo government, who wouldn't look at our ambulance situation and will not come and talk about Akufo-Addo government, say fix the country. Say, with all due respect, your brain is daft. Your brain is very dumb. With all due respect. You know why? Because 14 can never be smaller than 7. You understand? Now, Ghana for the move it is only citizens of Ghana who would allow themselves to be fooled even when the truth is in front of them. When the truth is in front of them. Ghana for and the non-politics in tea. No credit daho so mokano. Obey your many akoka their way any. Ghana and the journalists ever take oath of service. So I can no credit. The obeken in Abe no cry nothing but the truth. Nanswa kwa Jessica obedi, the obedi amia gunti, so kwa propaganda on my number. It kills me. Minya, and me re elhuyo, many aje, but many aje with the pain. Many aje with the pain. Because me betina ha, me pay you so me kai. And this for time one na say you call swear sebe na na Akufo-Addo in no minim say say ye speaker answer Esan said they knew they had lost this election. Esan said they knew they were going to lose in parliament if they did not allow all their members to come in. They breached the law, and I would never forget and forgive Haruna Idrisu for doing this because he's one of the people I hold in high esteem. Haruna Idrisu, a well-to-do man, stood in parliament, misquoted the articles of the constitution. Honorable Chairman Sabonsu, the majority head and leader at that time, did not, because he's his friend, at the time when he was representing himself as an MP. But enam sika omo bejinti. Enam sika omo nim se Canadian boga de bebenti. NDC for bu omani guso. NDC forgot about the constitution, the laws, our electoral processes. They forgot about everything, took money from this man, and decided to kick out. And this is the part that bleeds. And come here, this near come befu. What we are NDC food soldier? What some party? And do Susan Cow, so pass and Cow tries to obey MP. What she said with near me, and no cranty, what one year your courses near the idea. Be a what you Nanka what you now represent to constituency. Because when I want to constituency, and do the only the cost. Now, NDC for executives say what central region or vete. I shall NDC niba what Ghana. Ya call demonstration I will be. Ya call one I will be. Ya call meeting I will be. Ya call congress I will be. Ya to use I will be. Obi mami wa contribution. Our constituency. Now ya show when him say. Esan say wuni sikenti. What it? Esan say wuni sikenti. Ye den. Senase. Esan say what ye? To meet your delegate, no, some delegate did the full of one or more food and nama. Almost to be my and can be before as some way out to no more G delegate for and we delegate for a G papisica. And no more pamo or be out your party back. Oh, and this my wire party, Juma. Ah, the brass one and care reward. Yes, a Canadian bugger back. Yes, a Canadian bugger or the Canadian dollars are back. And the young Pamu, no more person, obey executives, no. Abbey, young Pamu, near Famano, uncle. Papa, we are not that way. Unia, me, I may be research. Now, I'm starting to send me the Papa. Now, my last research, I may or Papa, we no. Or that so Jenny Sika will Kromuha when I had the info. Or that so edging the pay, our ha. Or that so Jenny pay because. The process is a goyans or the akofa about a paper ne the akostande no 1 year we. But end this year, who the sikaba sabe ne yira akuma kuro betumi aku ne yira to ne yira akuma ma who the sikama end this year. Who the sikama end this ni ba wo betwitwa e de agunku abo amanu kuno yes. Subai o mutimu no because the ye hu ani nyafo yendiska in this guy. That is all they know. That is all this party called NDC know. And they sidekick people who could have been MPs, threw them on the side, and instead did what? Did all that they can to project this man as the hero. Yet to abandon and the Koban say, this man does not deserve to be an MP. And then will become the NTI, he doesn't deserve to be an MP. This man does not deserve to be an MP, or he's not qualified to be an MP. So he should not hold himself as an MP. And the NDC for NDC are born and MP people.